In 2024, the web development landscape continues to evolve, and two standout frameworks, FastAPI and Django, remain popular choices in the Python ecosystem. Each has its strengths, catering to different types of projects. Let's compare these two frameworks in a few key areas. Flexibility. FastAPI is more flexible for API-first and microservice projects, while Django is more rigid but gives you all the tools you need for full-stack development. Learning curve. Django has a steeper learning curve due to its many built-in features, while FastAPI is easier to pick up if you're familiar with Python's async programming. Scalability. FastAPI scales extremely well for API-heavy applications because of its asynchronous nature, whereas Django can handle large monolithic applications but may need additional optimization for high concurrency APIs. Use cases. FastAPI is perfect for microservices, real-time apps, and serverless APIs. Django, on the other hand, is ideal for content-driven web applications like CMS or e-commerce platforms. Now, let's dive into the key points of each framework. First, we have FastAPI. Here are 7 things to remember. 1. FastAPI is known for its high performance and speed, making it a great choice for building APIs and microservices. 2. It has built-in async support, allowing it to handle multiple requests concurrently, improving scalability. 3. FastAPI utilizes Python-type hints to provide better code clarity and automatic data validation. 4. One standout feature is the automatic API documentation, which generates interactive docs like Swagger UI for easier testing and integration. 5. It's lightweight, focusing on API-first development with minimal overhead. 6. FastAPI enhances developer productivity, allowing you to write less code and get faster feedback. 7. Although it's relatively new, FastAPI has a growing ecosystem, with more third-party tools for databases and authentication becoming available. Now let's look at Django. Here are 7 important points to keep in mind. 1. Django is a full-stack framework, offering everything you need for both back-end and front-end web development. 2. It is known for being batteries included, with built-in features like an ORM, templates, forms, authentication, and an admin panel. 3. Django has a mature ecosystem with a large community and thousands of third-party packages available. 4. Its auto-generated admin interface is incredibly useful for managing content and data without extra development effort. 5. Django's ORM support allows developers to easily manage databases without needing to write SQL queries. 6. It comes with built-in security features, including protection against common vulnerabilities like CSRF and SQL injection. 7. Lastly, Django is great for complex projects, making it an excellent choice for content-heavy applications like blogs or e-commerce platforms. In summary, FastAPI excels when you need a fast, scalable solution for APIs and microservices, especially in modern async environments. On the other hand, Django remains the go-to choice for building comprehensive full-stack web applications, offering a mature ecosystem and a lot of built-in features. So, depending on your project needs, FastAPI might be your best option for high-performance APIs, while Django is perfect for full-stack, content-driven web development.